one, we're going to find the area of the region bounded by the given curves y equals x squared and y equals x cubed minus 2x. So first we need to find the intersection points. So we're going to set them equal to each other. So basically we're setting y equals to y. You get x squared equals x cubed minus 2x. That's going to give you x cubed minus 2x. Let's do the x squared first. So minus x squared minus 2x equals 0. And if you factor this, you're going to factor out an x. And this is going to give you x minus 2 times x plus 1 equals 0. All right, just factored out the x, so like that. All right. Now, so our intersection points occur at x equals 0, x equals 2, and x equals negative 1. Now, if you do a little sign diagram and compare these, you would start with negative 1, 0, and 2. And if you look at both of them and the interval from negative 1 to 0, so say I substitute in negative 1/2. If I substitute in negative 1/2, I'm going to get x cubed minus 2x is going to be greater than or equal to x squared. Right? This, whenever you plug the 1/2 in, this value is going to be greater. Now let's look at from 0 to 2. If I substitute in, say, 1, then that means my x squared is going to be greater than or equal to x cubed minus 2x, because that would be 1, and this would end up being a negative number. All right, so you just kind of mentally do that a little bit. So if that's the case, what I can do is, for this interval, write this as x cubed minus 2x minus x squared equals 0. And for this one, I can write this as x squared minus x cubed minus 2x is greater than or equal to 0. Put greater than here. And that's how I'm going to set my intervals up. I'm going to set this one up, and I'm just sketching now, from negative 1 to 0. And this one's going to be set up from 0 to 2. So that's what I'm going to do on the next slide. We're going to write this as, for the shaded region, we're going to have the integral from negative 1 to 0. We're going to have x cubed minus 2x minus x squared dx. And the other one we had, we're going to add it, that was 0 to 2. And this is going to end up being, I'm going to put it in order. So, negative x cubed, and then plus 2x. Let's put the 2x last. So negative x cubed, then we're going to have plus x squared plus 2x dx. All right, now let's go ahead and integrate these. When you do that, you're going to get, for the first one, 1/4 x to the power of 4 minus x squared minus 1/3 x cubed, and we're evaluating this from negative 1 to 0. And then plus, we have 1/3 x cubed minus 1/4 x to the power of 4, and then plus x squared. All right, so let me rewrite these. I got them out of order. So we basically have negative, let's see, 1/4 x to the power of 4 plus 1/3 x cubed plus x squared. And this is from 0 to 2. All right, so when you substitute in 0, that's just going to be 0. So now then you take your 0 minus and substitute in your -1. That's going to give you 1/4 minus 1 plus 1/3. All right. And then for this piece, we're going to get plus, substitute in the 2, so you can get -1/4, 2 to the power of 4, plus 1/3 times 2 cubed, plus 2 squared. When you substitute in this 0, it's just going to turn to 0, so you'd subtract -0. All right, simplifying this, we're going to get, for this, we'll get 5/12. And then for this one, we're going to get plus 8/3. So this would be 5/12. You get a 12 here, that would be 32. So that's going to give you 37 divided by 12. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.